What happens when one colossal machine does the work of 1,000 people? Picture a site buzzing with human energy, hands moving, voices shouting, bodies coordinating in rhythm. Now wipe that away and replace it with a single machine, humming quietly, executing every task with flawless precision. The question is, are we watching progress or are we watching replacement? Sit tight, because the answer lies in the lineup of machines we're about to explore. Number 1. Automated port cranes. Picture a dock in its old rhythm, lines of workers straining ropes, guiding cranes by hand, calling out as crates sway above the water. Cargo stacks rise slowly, one lift after another, built on sweat and shouts. Now, wipe away the crowd and noise. In its place, a steel arm slides overhead, gripping a container the size of a house and dropping it neatly into line. No pause, no stumble, just measured motion on repeat. This machine sorts, stacks, and shifts cargo at a speed whole crews once struggled to match. Each move trims time, each cycle saves cost, and the ripple reaches global trade itself. Where hundreds bent their backs, a few people sit in quiet rooms, watching screens. The scale of an entire port bends around that one crane, redrawing what dockside labor looks like. Number 2. Tunnel boring machines. Picture a tunnel site packed with men bent over pickaxes. Dust in the air, lamps flicker, rubble carried out one bucket at a time. Progress measured in feet, workers worn down by each swing of the tool. Now replace that scene with one machine, a steel cylinder as tall as a building, drilling forward like a massive corkscrew. The cutter head spins, grinding through rock. Conveyors pull debris away. Behind it, panels slide into place, lining the walls as the tunnel stretches longer with each rotation. This machine doesn't just carve, it slices, clears, and builds in a single flow. Subways, utility passages, and underground highways become possible without decades of labor. Instead of raw noise and dust, you watch an engine hum steadily. The shift cuts years into months, trading endless handwork for mechanical momentum. Number 3. Amazon's Kiva warehouse robots. Warehouses once looked like moving rivers of people. Workers pushed carts, scanned shelves, and walked aisles over and over each day. Order after order meant endless footsteps across the floor. Now the motion changes. Small orange robots glide across the ground, slip under a shelf, and lift it whole. Instead of reaching for items, human pickers wait as the shelf comes to them. Rows of machines weave around each other, quiet but constant, carrying the heavy load without pause. Each of these robots matches the pace of several workers, and thousands sync together like a choreographed routine. This shift turns jobs into monitoring, sorting, or checking quality instead of hauling. The sight of walking crews is replaced with screens, robots, and shelves on the move. That speed doesn't stay inside the warehouse. It pushes outward, shaping global delivery. Number 4. Self-driving mining trucks. Mines once moved like processions of giants, huge trucks crawling in lines, each cab filled with a driver guiding tons of ore along long, dusty roads. Every load depended on hands on wheels, eyes in mirrors, and shifts that stretched through day and night. Now step into that same pit and see the cabs empty. The trucks still roll forward, but sensors steer them, software maps the route, and commands come from operators far away. These machines carry monstrous loads without a driver breaking focus or missing sleep. The impact is sharp, fuel use falls, accidents drop, and the schedule never stops. Trucks circle the route at all hours, steady and unbothered. Dozens of drivers give way to a fleet that hums together. Watch the eerie calm of giant trucks gliding in sync, headlights glowing with no one inside. Number 5. High-speed automated textile looms. Textile halls once echoed with human rhythm, rows of hands passing threads, guiding shuttles, stopping constantly to untangle knots. Production was steady but slow, each stretch of cloth built through constant watch and adjustment. Now see the shift. One automated loom runs at a pace no team could copy. Its arms pull, its rollers feed, and the frame weaves with unbroken flow. The machine doesn't pause to rest or reset. It stretches, locks, and cuts fabric in one sequence timed to software. What once demanded huge halls of spinners and weavers now fits into a line of machines managed by a few technicians. Cloth that took hours of handwork streams out in minutes. The sound changes too, not chatter and clatter, but the pulse of motors. Human rhythm gives way to electronic beats guiding every strand. Number 6. Precision robotic surgery systems. Operating rooms once moved like crowded stages, surgeons leaning close, nurses passing instruments, hands steady but bound by human limits. Each incision relied on coordination, each stitch on practiced touch. Now watch a robotic system take that role. Mechanical arms mirror the surgeon's motions, but with sharper control. A joystick or console guides the tool, while the robot carries out movements down to fractions of a millimeter. Tiny cuts, precise sutures, cleaner lines than any pair of hands could match. The payoff is real. Recovery times shrink, and procedures once too delicate now sit within reach. What needed several assistants now centers on one operator and a machine repeating countless complex tasks. The comparison is striking. A crowded room of motion replaced by a calm surgeon at a console, mastery amplified by steel precision. Number 7. Fully autonomous farming combines. Farming once meant lines of workers steering plows or tractors by hand, slowly covering the land acre by acre. Families labored from sunrise to sunset, guiding iron and soil in a rhythm that stretched on for months. Now the scene shifts. Combines roll across the fields without drivers at the wheel. Guided by satellites, these machines steer themselves, cutting paths with centimeter accuracy. They don't just harvest, they can plant, monitor crop health, and adjust every movement to match the terrain. Instead of long days behind levers, operators now check screens on tablets or from control stations. One fleet moves with constant precision while humans oversee the process from a distance. Tasks that consumed whole seasons shrink into days. Picture endless fields managed not by crowds of workers, but by quiet engines and a handful of glowing monitors. Number 8. Tesla Giga Press and Casting Machine. Car factories used to buzz with endless steps. Metal stamped, frames welded, joints checked, workers repeating the same moves thousands of times. Building a car was a chain of small tasks stacked one after another. The Giga Press breaks that rhythm. This colossal casting machine pours molten aluminum into a mold, and what comes out is a single giant piece of a vehicle's frame. Watch as one press replaces the clicks of welders, the hum of riveters, and the rounds of inspection. Instead of hundreds of motions, there's one decisive strike. The press slams, the mold cools, and a full section of car emerges solid and ready. Car building pivots here, from a dance of countless steps into bold, single strokes. This machine turns repetition into one monumental action, reshaping how modern vehicles take form before your eyes. Number 9. AI-powered call center systems. Picture a call center floor alive with rows of headsets. Voices rise and overlap, scripts rustle, and 1,000 conversations run at once. Each worker manages a fragment of the storm, typing notes, toggling screens, and trying to keep pace. Now swap the scene. An AI system takes the call. It answers instantly, speaks in clear rhythm, sorts the request, and writes the log without breaking stride. No pauses for coffee, no stretch breaks. Only steady dialogue running day and night. This machine routes problems, learns from past calls, and adapts its replies. Where once stands an ocean of desks, now sit clusters of servers humming. Humans still enter, but only for the rare and complex. The routine chatter goes digital. Customer service continues, yet its face grows less human, more synthetic, more machine-driven with each passing call. Number 10, 3D concrete printing machines. Traditional building once meant crews stacking bricks, mixing mortar, and raising panels bit by bit. Weeks passed before walls stood, and each section demanded teams of hands moving in rhythm. Now watch a 3D concrete printer at work. A robotic arm glides along, pouring wet mix in steady layers. Line by line, a wall grows with smooth precision instead of scattered chaos. The printer doesn't need rest or adjustment, just a programmed path and material flow. In days, what once consumed hundreds of hours now takes shape. Full houses emerging as if drawn by a giant pen. The gain is not only speed, but cost. Affordable housing becomes possible when machines handle the heavy lifting. Foundations that would stretch over weeks appear almost overnight. Builders now stand back, guiding machines instead of stacking blocks by hand. From ports to fields, from clinics to factories, you've seen machines take on the weight of thousands. Each one turns noise and sweat into steady motion, trading muscle for quiet precision. What used to need vast crews now unfolds through steel arms, sensors, and software working in sync. Progress doesn't just trim effort, it twists the shape of work itself. The shift moves from carrying loads to guiding systems, from long shifts to overseeing screens. Human roles bend, machines perform. That will be all for today. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks again for watching.